To my greatest surprise, when I got there yesterday morning, I started seeing brand new life jackets. Brand new ones. Over 200 pieces was made available. I couldn't wonder waiting to happen. New ones.
The bike in a palm, na for Ihana Bagalena social media. Man, actually, pay attention at this video. This young man actually so. And in the Nigeria, we are the cause of our problem. Ken Kebuna, a whole boat riders company and only million. And you know manifesto. Manifesto in the sense that, for example, Ichaiba moto na apata ile tu afu no na akwụkwọ mmadụ one no na moto anụ adọkalụ the main paper jedosa n'office dọkalụ one nye driver onye ọzọ ejide one ọ na-adị 3 booklet n'ime efilu afa ndị nọ their phone number and their phone number of their next of kin okay ihe a na-akpụ ya. So mana this boot people mana how they use that thing hanara emi use. So on with this accident can the police get into investigation which up na hana he use and how the use better thing was getting on Friday. And the government gave these people all this thing over 6 months ago, getting to 8 months. And also near again free life jacket in the sense that na obulu nego ubobulu 1,000 ha charge again 1,2 so that they can cover money for that life jacket in order to get free or ha might find a way to impute it in that price because now the flight had in your life jacket man you know on a seat I say this is how to use your seat belt, this is how to use your nka in case nka no man, this is how to if mad up don't demonstrate anyway because no we call on that flight ticket also covers that in again. So Webulon and down with life jacket, how could see the passenger free, but they kept it. They kept it in their disposal. When a rent is here out, how wicked can we Nigerians be? Everything Abugo out of looking for money until he hear me mad. Obona this thing to what could have happened to everybody in a million? That their chairman has to be arrested, that their chairman has to be made to be sued and to spend the rest of his life in prison for causing the life of millions and millions of people and also rendering a generation useless because those people they are people's children, parents they are people feeding them, they are somebody related to somebody. Their chairman need to pay for this and somebody needs to be taken, must be held accountable for it.
Yesterday morning, when I got to the marine, the first people I saw there was the police people with their rifles and their this thing. Who happens to be the people in charge of the sailors. They have already arrested the guy that sailed the boat. We carry these people. That one they sell. Now those people came to investigate and know how these people are operating in that river. So, to my greatest surprise, when I got there yesterday morning, I started seeing brand new life jackets. Brand new ones. Over 200 pieces was made available. I couldn't wonder waiting to happen. New ones. New ones. I did there. This one will load first boats full of passenger. They left. Everybody wear life jackets. I was watching and observing for them to maybe give them money. Give me a lot of get. Maybe they rent them like maybe they pay, collect life jackets, but nobody they pay. Do you understand? They were giving life jackets. They moved the first boat. I did there in less than 1 hour. Like 7 boats left with full of passengers. All of them were on life jackets. Brand new ones. That was when I now asked questions. I said, I beg you, these people will wear life jackets. How much they come pay separately to get these new life jackets? That was when one of the officers answered me and said, my brother, first of all, there is something they call manifesto. Say that manifesto was given to these people they get chairman. The boat sellers, they get chairman, they get union. Say that manifesto was given to these people. That manifesto now, if you want to enter boats, they go write your name. They will take, just like if you want to board a flight, your name will be listed. Or you want to enter bus to Lagos, all these peace marks, they go take your name and phone number and next of kin. Right? That is manifesto. They collected, they asked after this thing, where is your manifesto, sir? The guy said, he did. He said, okay, where is it? Go and bring it. The guy went and brought the manifesto. They can't open the manifesto. He can't be saying that yesterday, they started making use of that manifesto. With video, with recorded proof, he did. No worry. Now, they now ask them, why did you guys started using this manifesto that yesterday? But this manifesto was given to you people over 6 months ago by the government. Right? Now, if you pay for boat, make it carry you go anywhere. Or you pay for boats, if boat one load passenger, you don't collect money for the passenger head. Everybody in that boat, they carry 12 passengers, 12. All the 12 passengers, they are all entitled to a free life jacket. They are not meant to rent it. It is meant to be given free to all the passengers. Do you understand? They were meant to be given free of charge. Do you understand? Now I can't shock. I can't say, okay, what's it going to happen? Why they not give these people this life jacket that day? That was when we noticed that these people hide this life jacket to use it for business. They rent and give people. Meanwhile, the government gave them this thing free of charge to give to all their passengers. Free of charge. But they can't use and do business. Do you understand? It's one of the sellers with my own money. And I told the guy, Baba, make we go in search. Make we go, maybe water don't carry them, go down, maybe River Niger side or even across Niger. We could just try, move around, whether we will see anything. I now said, who they follow me go? Many people were scared to go. It was only 4 people that followed me. The Senator Savior and 3 other guys. They were crew members. We can't enter water. We drove to Onitsha. We even passed Onitsha town. Come back with the search. We lasted in the river more than 2 hours while searching. We don't see anything. Do you understand? We now come back. We came back. We said make we wait till 4 in the evening or 5. So now towards that 4, 5, 9, the first person will come out, and that girl, the makeup artist. The makeup artist, now first come out. As they brought him, reach 5 minutes, they saw another body, which is the all auntie. Both of them. They brought them out. They don't already, people who don't do water for more than 24 hours. They don't already spoil, you understand? By that time, they don't call all their families. All their family members don't there already. They were crying. We started pleading with them. Lot of pleadings, blah, 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 We played. They said that if not to bury them for water side, no problem. They are okay with that. If there are other things to do after the burial, they are ready for provided that Nollywood will take responsibility of the logistics and all that, which we come to a conclusion and we agreed. We took those bodies and we go bury them that midnight. I know comfort. Now Senator, it was Senator and one other guy. because I was busy settling, pleading with one other, the Precious family. They were there already, and they were crying. I was pleading with them already. So, Sedeta Savior with the sellers and the family, the father of the deceased and one other guy, they took the bodies to go and bury. This thing, he done the knack around that kind 10 midnight, 10 to 11. So everybody waited there come go. We left. We said today, being this morning, we will now come back in search of the third person. Do you understand? In search of the third person. Now, I came live yesterday to address Stanley. Let me go to that point. The reason why I came live was because while we are still there in search of these bodies, we saw him on live video doing TC Virus interview. He was interviewing TC Virus, and he has already escalated the whole thing by shouting, by saying JP is alive. We take him to mortuary, we take him blah blah. You know, a lot of talks don't they come up online already. Even where the family of these people never even they were there present, see what thing they happened. They hear another thing online. Do you understand? The families of the deceased, they see what thing they happen. Some of them they came early, but they see another thing online. They hear another thing online entirely. Do you understand? That was why I came live yesterday. We did that river when I did that live video. I came because I was calling on top. His two phones were switched off. Assuming I got him on phone, I don't go come live. But his two phones were switched off. And me, I know be live. And my lifestyle. His two phones were switched off. Even you Ledochie, the proof they my phone, the chats they my phone. Yo Ledochie called me. And he was asking after TC if he's okay or not. Or I told him TC is okay, but he's receiving treatment. He said, okay, which side in there? I tell him, I no. And all their phones fell inside the river. So you cannot reach TC, you cannot reach anybody. I said, I don't know where he is at the moment. Even the chat where they chat me, inbox me, asking after the guy, maybe to go and see him to maybe, you know, sympathize with him and all that. The chat, they my friend, I don't even reply the chat, but I took his call. I told him that TC Virus is safe. Say nothing happened to them, just he get wound for leg, and in they receive treatment. Now what I tell him, he get. So I try reaching TC in phones they water. On top, two phones were switched off. I now came. I noticed that he was on live. I now came up. I came on live to address the issue, so that when I go see where would they, we could see the celebrities on ground. We still did the water side. On top was not there. Do you understand? In the hotel room, they do that video with TC Virus. While we did the marine, they wait for these remaining bodies we will never see. Do you understand? I came live and I told on top to drop this live when they do. He should stop. He should try to be on the same page with the story before he go to come live. They talk. I'm not gonna make you no do live. I'm not gonna make you no post anything. But at least making they pass the right informations to people. Right? After I finished the live video I dropped, he came to that live video. On top came to that live video and commented. And I now inboxed him. I DM'd him. And I say, guy, how far now? The chat, where me and chat, they my phone. They the DM. I know I screenshot and keep safe. Do you understand? He said, okay, no problem. Say he understand. Say we they on the same page now. That was the response. I said, okay, bye. We now continued our search. We recovered those bodies. So this morning, we moved back to the Marine. Okay, they called me. One of the boat sellers called me around 12 a.m. midnight yesterday, and he told me that when they were returning back from burying those other two people, they now saw the third person, but they cannot bring him out that night. It was already late. They now have to hang him by the riverside. They use something to hang him for the riverside against this morning. Do you understand? So reaching this morning, I rushed down to the Marine. I used my money. I gave them to go and buy boot sack, the nylon bags, where did they buy, the incense, the blah blah blah, where did they buy, the perfume, where did they put for body, where don't they decompose already. They go buy and come. By that time, the boys' family, they are already there. I was on call with his father, with the boy's father, for more than 1 hour. Do you understand? When I explained to them what happened and the things people, even the man told me by himself that they are from River State, that they knew that once somebody die for water, say that they bury the person for water, say the only thing, the way they need, not to carry the person's spirit, put for casket, carry the person come back for their village, may they bury. Do you understand? So after much pleading with the father, he said no problem, we should go ahead. The boy's brother, the twin, the boy na twin, the twin assist na girl she be. Now either the elder brother or younger brother was there. After much, we brought the young man out. That one said don't worst. That one don't spoil. It don't worst past the other ones. Because Nain be the last person we will bring out this morning. The picture day, the video recorded day, the evidence of recording the video day, the interview being done day. Do you understand? Everything day. Now why I said we go do some, we go post. No worry, we relax. We go see the wrist gist. Now let me now come back to this whole thing. And they see comments where people they say Nollywood do this one, Nollywood wicked. I'm not telling you not to express your anger. No, I'm not disputing that fact. No, but this is an accident. Wow. Road accidents, people they get accident for road on a daily basis. This one a water accident. Now, people were saying there was no life jacket, there was no this one, there was not. Before I judge or say something, I make sure I get my facts. Do you understand? Anything I don't know about, I'll have to pipe low to investigate about that particular thing before I will say a jack about that thing. Yesterday morning, when I got to the Marine, the first people I saw there was the police people with their rifles and their this thing. Who happens to be the people in charge of the sellers. They have already arrested the guy that sailed the boat. We carry these people. That one they sell. Now those people came to investigate and know how these people are operating in that river. So, to my greatest surprise, when I got there yesterday morning, I started seeing brand new life jackets. Brand new ones. Over 200 pieces was made available. I couldn't wonder what's in the happen. New ones. New ones. I did there. This people load first boat full of passenger. They left. Everybody wear life jackets. I was watching and observing for them to maybe give them money. Give me a lot of maybe they rent them, like maybe they pay, collect life jackets, but nobody they pay. Do you understand? They were giving life jackets. They moved the first boat. I did there in less than 1 hour. Like 7 boats left with full of passengers. All of them were on life jackets, brand new ones. That was when I now asked questions. I said, I beg you, these people will wear life jackets. How much they come pay separately to get these new life jackets? That was when one of the officers answered me and said, my brother, first of all, there is something they call manifesto. Say that manifesto was given to these people. They get chairman. The boat sellers, they get chairman. They get union. Say that manifesto was given to these people. That manifesto now, if you want to enter boats, they go write your name. They will take, just like if you want to board a flight, your name will be listed. Or you want to enter bus to Lagos, all these peace marks, they go take your name and phone number and next of kin. Right? That is manifesto. They collected, they asked after this thing, where is your manifesto, sir? The guy said, he did. He said, okay, where is it? Go and bring it. The guy went and brought the manifesto. They can't open the manifesto. He can't be saying that yesterday, they started making use of that manifesto. With video, with recorded proof, he did. No worry. Now, they now ask them, why did you guys started using this manifesto that yesterday? But this manifesto was given to you people over 6 months ago by the government. Right? Now, if you pay for boats, make it carry you go anywhere. Or you pay for boats, if boats won't load passenger, you don't collect money for the passenger head. Everybody in that boat, they carry 12 passengers, 12. All the 12 passengers, they are all entitled to a free life jacket. They are not meant to rent it. It is meant to be given free to all the passengers. Do you understand? They were meant to be given free of charge. Do you understand? Now I can't shock. I can't say, okay, what thing can happen? Why they not give these people this life jacket that day? That was when we noticed that these people hide this life jacket to use it for business. They rent and give people. Meanwhile, the government gave them this thing free of charge to give to all their passengers. Free of charge. But they can't use and do business. Do you understand? They can't rent them. Do you get? They can't rent them. They can't rent them. Now, I'm going to ask myself, wow. And the production, listen, the production now paid for these boats to carry these people to the location, right? So automatically they are entitled to a life jacket, right? By rights. But we know they blame anything now, because what thing don't happen. Now the production, assuming they said the production, I'm not defending anybody. I'm not saying that nothing should be done, or I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying based on what I have observed. Do you understand? if the production have paid for this boat to carry these people to their location, that means the money being paid, they are entitled to a life jacket. Now, this is another part of it. You get what in, if the production released money for the boat and they can't reach there, maybe the production manager or the person in charge to pay these people, can't they play politics, maybe to bring out the whole money, or maybe you won't come collect some kind of thing out of the money, you won't come prize, all those kind of things, I don't know. Right? But what I knew was, even me, we carry the boat, go in search of these people yesterday, I paid before they moved that boat. Because they use fuel. They carry like 2 gallons of fuel in case fuel finish for road, for water. So they don't even move without you paying them. So for them to move that boat, the guy has already been paid, or they don't negotiate price already to be paid. Do you understand? Now, this production made provision for this boat, right? And they paid for it. So everybody, now 2 people wore the life jacket. When that guy when the other boat we carry them, where this thing happened, can't carry them, the other 2 people will not get mind to move. They go use their money, personal money. They use their personal money, go rent the life jacket by themselves, and they wore it. Right? Now, what me can analyze, because if people they tell me story, I analyze my own. What me can analyze for this thing, they say maybe these guys where they this what they where they this boat don't already get the strong mind. Say since this pilot, this seller don't already carry Gino Pope for day 1 without a life jacket, go to the location, come back. That means the guy is a professional. Do you understand? That's why they no get mind, or that why they can't feel relaxed and feel comfortable to sail without the life jacket. That was what I thought. Do you understand? After the whole story, because you know go tell me say after they don't drink, do their doings, they happy enter boat. 2 people can't rent the life jacket, can't wear. Why other people don't come rent them? Wear. Do you understand? You know what tell me say Juno Pope never get money to rent life jackets, no matter the kind of price where they call. You get me? Because even the people who rent life jacket don't say blessing a 500 naira, I been a 1,500 they pay. Either 1,500 or 1,000 thereabout. And they pay take rent at their own. So what it make other people no rent where? But we know they blame. If something dey happen, we don't push blames. We sit to analyze things, right? And some evidence there. I thank God say no be everybody wey enter that water drown. Say out of those 13, I think there were 12 in number with 13. 7 were rescued. There were 12 in number. There were 12. 7 were rescued and 5 drowned, right? So those 7 people they are alive. Now them the better position to tell the story of how they started the journey and how they moved the boat without their life jackets, and some people wear life jackets from nowhere. My happiness be say some people survived the accident. Do you understand? So after all this thing, we don't. Why I settled down to do this video now? Be say I'm now settled because the bodies where we find, we don't see them. We don't see them. They don't bring out the bodies, and nobody they lost again. Nobody they lost again. For people they carry news, say people they lost for water. We don't see everybody complete. Everybody don't complete. Right? Now, after maybe police don't do their investigations and do their everything, and everything is calm, maybe they come, they could settle everything. I don't know. Before they will fix the burials and all that. I don't know. Maybe we will come now know who they talk through or who they lie. This story I just told you guys was what I knew and what I experienced. Not everything I go talk, it go too long. It gave me why I never even talk, right? With evidence, they were recorded. But when today in a word they say release evidence, release this one. Right? Make all these things. Now we just finished the candlelight procession for these people. We don't cancel shoots. Now, if you say Nollywood, they wicked, I'm not disputing that fact. Even me, they come live, and they come on Instagram on my own, they shout. And they shout them every time. They say, many souls in Nollywood are totally wicked. Do you understand? And they talk them every time on my own, because I know what they see for Nollywood. Do you understand? Now, even some people, why we are searching for these bodies today. Some people still their location to shoot film. You don't understand what happen. What in the happen. You don't even know the kind of war and the kind of thing where they happen for Nollywood. Many people, as we search for these people today, many people still their location. Some people their location they shoot film. But I think they are fuck up. We are treated, right? The tax force, some of the tax force, the angry tax force, they have to go and stop them and seize their cameras and all that, because we still they search for a crew member's body. You their location feel comfortable, they shoot. That means you no get conscience, right? Or me now where they the water, where they walk up and down, where they do all the things where I don't do. When I touch I don't do anything. By hour, me I don't do what I do from my own heart. I don't do I make I please you. I don't do I make I please anybody. I don't do I make I trend. If I do I make I trend, I can not see tomorrow. I start to make it be. That's so it be. Why I'm coming live to show all these things now is because a lot of things and a lot of lies are already flying on air. So to save Nollywood from getting more bad names, I have to clear the air a little. Do you understand? A lot of people don't do videos. Even people when no even come the water, when no even come at all, when no even show face, don't they do videos? They post. They narrate waiting kill General Pope and waiting no kill him. If you don't know about something, make you come talk among. Do you understand? So this story, this matter now, is very, very deep. This matter now is very, very deep. Do you understand? General Pope's people, they were there present from day one. Now we talk with them, they sympathize with them, they beg them for some kind of things, they explain to them some kind of things. Then they insist of carrying him a celebrity, of which I think many things they don't do some kind of things and they have carried him to their side. Do you understand? They have took him to their place. Now they will have to fix the burial and they will do the mass burial because it's gonna be a mass burial. I don't know. Not be smart thing hit Nollywood this time. Do you understand? We don't record deaths, but this one, this particular one, he shake Nollywood. I no go lie. And anybody where one lie or twist this matter, na life will do. Na life will do. After everything don't settle, we will now know the real truth. Now, some people they chat, they comment, they ask me, say, where am I? Where are they? To why I not stop all these things where they fly online? Where are they? No. You get some people they ask some funny questions and some stupid questions because number one, when I don't see the crowd of people where they are one. Two, you cannot hold anybody from making videos. Even some people will try stop from recording some kind things. They no agree. Do you understand? Because everybody want to trend online. Everybody want to come up live. Everybody want to be the first to report news. Just like Very Dark Man said. Everybody want me, I carry 4 phones that day. Now 4 phones that they use 4. But I don't even know where. Now my boy hold my phones. I don't even know where the phones they. Go and check on Wednesday where the thing happened. From that 4 o'clock where they send me the first video. From that 4 o'clock till the next day. I don't make any video. I think it was when I came back in the night, midnight, from the mortuary, when I started seeing all those videos, all those live, that I came live to address some things. And I went off. I slept. Early morning, I continued the movement. I no come live until that afternoon that I saw Stanley on live. I know to go and check my post. I never even post up to 3 videos. Since all those things started to happen, or 4 videos. Go and check. And check the timing. Because me, I dey busy they walk. I dey busy they run up and down. I dey busy they make move. I dey busy they make calls. And I thank God that many Nollywood members, they were alive, they were present. They see all the work. Let me thank people who I go thank mostly now. Kevin Uvo being the task force chairman, national task force chairman. I will thank Senator Savior. I will thank Feza. I will thank Anita Basement. I will thank Mom Regina Daniels. I will thank Regina. I will thank Destiny Tico. I will thank Enje Palazzo. I will thank so many people. And they were all live. They saw everything that happened. Do you understand? They know who they work and who know they work. Do you understand? So, I think I have to stop here. We can no go. Una too open ear to hear more. Or to hear many things where don't happen. Una go hear them. Una no worry. Una relax. Do you understand? I'm not saying you should not be angry. I'm not saying that the production should be listen. I'm not saying Adam Maluk should not be arrested or not. I'm not saying they should arrest him. I'm not saying that she should not be arrested. But let me calm down. Make police do their work and do their investigations. Right? I don't tell them already say, I think the boat seller, the police custody already. He's in police cell already. So they don't go just leave him there now. Why they arrested him is for them to start their investigation. Abi? So let's allow them to do their investigation. Why we push so hard to make sure we recover these bodies is because this body, if you did water too much, it will spoil. Fish will start to eat them. If I show you people the picture or video of this last person we will bring out today, yeah, when I go cry blood, when I go cry blood, when I go ask myself, now human being be this. But let me stop here for now, right? Not only live videos that they do for Instagram. I've never posted on my Facebook page. I've not even go and check my last post on my pages. I never even posted anything on my page since on Monday. Because me, they shoot film. They produce job. I started the production on Monday. Right? I don't even get time to post anything. My YouTube, I know they post this kind of content there. Now movies they post. Not only here, Instagram, they come. My Instagram is not monetized. Make it not say they use and make money. Do you understand? So I don't see any reason for using somebody's death to make money. I don't do that kind of thing. I'm from Anambra State, in Tejabogu, precisely. There are things we don't do. What and verify. Do you understand? I know they do that kind of thing. You take me, they do them. Right? There are things I don't do on my own. Because I get children. Anything where I do will affect my children. I don't be single person. No. Would I never see me as one kind young guy, one kind irresponsible, one kind. I don't marry you with 2 kids, with 4 kids, 2 boys, 2 girls. I don't even bother again. Do you understand? So I have conscience and I have kids. Anything I do, and my children are the look. So there are things I don't do. Do you understand? Do you understand? So for people who they think say it's tech, and one kind, I know they carry my family matter, come online. I know they try them. I can only post my daughter or my daughters where they, maybe they danced or they made some kind of funny videos. I will post. But for me to come online, they post my family, they post wife, they post this one. I know they do them, and I know go try them. I know they carry my family problem come online. They get me, but what thing I want to let you know today be say, for now, thing say is tech, no do this one. I don't marry with 4 kids, 2 boys, 2 girls. If I tell you expenses where they do as family man in a week, you know go even come online talk say I want make money with person debt. I don't get that time. I don't get that kind of time. So Nollywood, what I want you to know about Nollywood is Nollywood, many people no get conscience in Nollywood. Many people are heartless. Many people are wicked. I keep on saying it. Every day by day, I they do video about them. And many people they attack me. Many people they attack me. Many people they tell me things. Many people they tell me that. Many people they tell me this. I will keep on saying the truth. Do you understand? So, I don't chase clouds, like I said. I allow my own doings, bring my followers, my organic followers. Do you understand? I know they chase clouds. Do you understand? So, my doings, now they bring my followers, right? At the climb table, at the come out clothes, at the do some kind of things to take the entertain my followers, right? So I can never trend with somebody's death. I can never do such because everybody go buy, and when you buy, you will go give accounts of what you have achieved or what you have done to your fellow human, right? Nollywood, a lot of people in Nollywood are wicked and heartless. I can still say it from now till next year, from now till 10 years coming. A lot of souls in Nollywood are heartless and wicked. Do you understand? So, do you understand? So, please, I want to rest. I want to go and take my shower and bathe and sleep. At least I can sleep well today because for the past since on Monday till now, I never get up to 2 hours sleep. 2 hours, make I know I never sleep up to 2 hours since on Monday till now. Do you understand? But today I have to sleep and rest because tomorrow we know the shoot. Nobody will shoot movie tomorrow. Nobody will shoot next tomorrow. Any production will resume on Monday. Do you understand? Then while investigation is still going on and the police will do their job. Do you understand? One love. People when they insult me, when I continue, nobody everybody go like me, not consign me, but I must keep saying the truth, and the truth I must stand on. One love, and we there. But I go start to the post proof and evidences. soon. Are we there now? Good night all.